Hey DIYers, I have a confession to make. I save practically everything. Plastic containers, glass containers, plastic lids, junk mail envelopes, even burnt out light bulbs. Because I want to recycle as much as I possibly can. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making an art journal using my stack of junk mail envelopes, which is about a mile high, and that's probably only from this month alone. And we're going to use my gel press to get lots of color and pattern on all of the different envelopes. And then we're going to bind them using a pretty simple bookbinding technique. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make a junk mail envelope art journal. Mass-produced envelopes did not come into the scene until about 1845, when in Great Britain, inventors Edwin Hill and Warren de la Rue filed a patent for an envelope-producing machine. The first device that could be called an envelope dates back to 2000 BC in ancient Babylon. It was made of clay and could protect important papers from the elements while in storage. To gain access to the documents inside, the baked clay envelope would have to be destroyed. More than 100 billion pieces of junk mail are delivered in the United States each year. That's about 300 per living person. %60 of junk mail is trashed and not recycled. That's 4 million tons of junk mail. Doing the math, 17 trees are needed to make 1 ton of junk mail, so we're talking 68 to 100 million trees are being used each year to make junk mail. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheMarkMontano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you next week. Bye.